Last week we learned how to draw a histogram using real limits on the x-axis and frequencies on the y-axis. This is the histogram. Today we are going to learn how to draw a frequency polygon. Frequency polygon. There are two ways of drawing the polygon. One method is using a histogram. First we have to draw a histogram, and based on this we are drawing a polygon. And second method is we can draw the frequency polygon by taking midpoints on the x-axis and draw the polygon. Now we learn how to do the first method, how to draw a polygon using a histogram. Now, when you get a set of data like this, right, with real limits and frequencies, right, what you have to do is, by taking these, here the real limits and the frequencies, you can draw the histogram like this. That's the first step, right? Now, next step is, to draw a frequency polygon, you have to mark and join the midpoints of the bars. These are the bars in the histogram, right? If there are 11 classes, then there are 11 bars also. Here these are the bars. Well, now you have to mark the midpoints of the bars. Now we'll take the first bar. This is the first bar, right? There you'll have to mark the midpoint like this. Here mark the midpoint. Midpoint of the bar. Do it properly. Now there are two. Do like this. So you have marked the midpoints of the bars. Second one, mark the midpoints, and you have to join the midpoints of the bars. Now here are the midpoints of the bars. You have marked them. Now you have to join. Use a ruler and join the points here like this. This one. Use a ruler. Here to here. Now these two, there are two equal bars like this. If there are three, you have to join all 3 points. All right. Okay, you have joined them. But there's one important thing in a frequency polygon, that is the polygon. This red one, the red graph is the polygon. Okay, the polygon should touch the x-axis. The polygon should touch the x-axis. Right? Now here we'll take this one. This is our extra class, right? Before the lowest value, we have to have another class, extra class. Now, we have marked the midpoints of the bars. Now, here also you have to have the midpoint, right? Not this corner. You have to have the midpoint of this class. Why do you have to have that midpoint? Because as a rule, the polygon should touch the x-axis. Now, where does it touch? The midpoint of this class. Mark like this and draw the line. Right. What about this side? Now here, this is the next class. And according to the rule, the polygon should touch the x-axis. You can't touch it like this here, this corner. Because here we have taken only the midpoint of the class. Here also we take the midpoint of the class. And join. Now it's completed. Right? So this red line, red graph is the frequency polygon. Frequency polygon. And you can put the arrow. This one. Not the histogram. Right? The line graph. That's the frequency polygon. So now you know how to draw the frequency polygon by using the histogram. So if you get a set of data like this, you have to take the real limits and draw the histogram first and mark the midpoints of the bars. Use a ruler and join them. And the most important thing, you have to mark the midpoint of the adjoining class, right? That in that extra class, and join it here. And here also you have to mark the midpoint and join, right? That's why we left one extra class at these two corners. Okay, that's the frequency polygon.